Hello, myself Unkeshwanath Upadhyay. Okay, now we are here in the Golconda Fort, and I want to introduce with me my co-partner here, Mr. Brijesh Upadhyay,
Oh,
and
what about
with
you?
me, my elder brother also there, Mr. Omkarnath Upadhyay. Here, just see the eyes of my beautiful brother
Oh
glittering
my
here
god.
and there. Okay, just we can see here all the natural beauty, all the Hyderabad here fascinating. Here it is broadcasting. I am broadcasting to you here on this very fine occasion. It is a good evening here, all of us with us, and you see there Golconda Fort. It is a natural beauty which is all around with me here, and there are many people which are come here to see all the things. So with me, Mr. Brijesh Upadhyay, can you tell me something about how you feel about this area, how you feel about the fascinating trip to the Golconda Fort?
It was absolutely very nice. I feel better right now because I'm just getting the view of nature and it's so great here. Means you can definitely see the whole Hyderabad from right. You can just watch whole Hyderabad from here, and it is
Okay,
very amazing situation for me that
right,
I'm
right,
enjoying a lot, and I'm
right.
utilizing my day today.
Right, great man. Okay, can you tell me the speciality which you see in the Golconda Fort? Anything, any any spot on the Golconda Fort which you like the most? Anything?
Whatever we are learning today in the branch of civil engineering, and they have already implemented these kind of things. The actual strength of this particular palace is very different, and they have the strength is very good, and you can say that it is very reliable. You can believe on it, and now people are moving. These are the buildings which are three. They built 3 years, 300 years ago, and right now it was you can there are so many people are coming, they are watching, moving here and there, they are kidding also, and that is a very amazing situation for us. That we are what we are thinking today that already implemented. That is a better thing. I really imagine that situation. What are the brilliant people they have actually made this kind of things?
Okay, fine. And what are you thinking about the people of Hyderabad? And with me as your sweet brother and with your elder brother, you have got a so much fascinating trip here. What is your thinking about that?
Actually, I think that I've totally utilized my day properly
Yeah.
because I was too much frustrated a day before because I was coming for the campus placement, but that at that day I was totally harassed by the people. Just they harassed me, and I think that it is a better, nice one. I agree with it. It is a very enjoyable place for me, and I'm getting. There are some green grasses also right there down.
Okay, fine. Have a fine conversation with you, and I am also have a conversation with my elder brother. So please have a snap with both of us. Okay, fine. So you are enjoying the place with a good beauty, good nature, but the most special thing that you have come with your father and with two of your little brother and enjoying with all of them is a good experience. So what do you think about the place, about the people, about the the spot, Golconda face, and all the beauty which is all over here?
It is really fabulous and it's a very awesome experience. I was having really a nice time. It's always good if you are spending time with your family and with my brother. And it has been really nice. Regarding this fort and all, yeah, it's really a beauty fort because the architecture, as Brajesh was telling, like it's really well done. And they have implemented something which we are still striving to achieve that, and it's really good. And Hyderabad and greenery, it all give you a very pleasant experience.
Definitely.
Okay, you are working here in the corporate section. So what do you thinking? You have visited so many places, like also you have visited the museum and all that, and so many places are there. But what do you find the special thing in the Golconda Palace and all these things?
I can see like the way it has been made on the hilltop, where everything was well thought, because you can see lots of pond, lots of water storage, because you'll be needing all this when you are living in this fort kind of setup. And also the buildings are very strong, and still we can see they are in very good shape. and nobody can believe it is very very old, like 400 500 years old. So it's unbelievable, and still you can see the strength, and I can see it will keep on
Yeah, yeah.
standing like this for 1,000 more years.
Yes, fine.
So
And
it's good, yeah.
I'm just also want to show some of your glittering eye features, that how you can see at the different places, and at a different type or in different situations you can see. Oh, nice, just nice, man. Okay, thank you. Here with me, my elder
I would
brother.
also like to have a chit chat with our anchor Ankeshwar.
Okay.
Nice, fine, fine,
So,
fine.
so Ankeshwar,
Yeah.
you have been to the South India for the first time, and how you are feeling about
I'm
how's it?
feeling very nice, because when I'm in Indore, I am enjoying the Indore, but I think that no special such fort and all that is here in the Indore, because only malls are there, and no special food also there. But here in the South India, I'm enjoying the fort, and so much visited Ramoji Film City, and the idli dosa here are like very very fine things which we can eat here, and because
So tell me something about your experience in Golconda. Like, what did you like most?
actually, if I have visited alone in the Golconda, then it is not a good experience for me. But visited with the family member and all, that is a good experience. So I am enjoying a lot with the people here. Here also the all these fine architecture, the buildings here. I am visited all the spots here, and it is a great experience. I am very much enjoying here.
So you said you visited Ramoji city. So what did you like in Ramoji most?
I'm very much excited about the rides there, but one ride was there. It was a clock like a structure, and it hangs up on the back down. We on that goal ride. It is like circle ride. I'm
Okay,
very
okay.
much enjoyed that ride, because I
Okay.
think after having that ride, all the beauty of the Ramoji we can see there. Fine experience. It is a fine experience.
Thank you very much for
Okay,
your something. that
Let
is
me
fun.
introduce something. There are a lot of gardening is going here, and people are just moving there. So we will be going there right now.
Okay.
So Mr.
So,
Ankeshwar will be definitely tell about the things.
see here in the picture, these are the grasses which are fine grasses over here, and all the people. I can show you here. See the boundary of the fort. It was nice built here. So here we can also see the beautiful garden over here. Night is momentary moment we have spent here, and the people here enjoying a lot with the man and the that place. It is quite like good experience for many people to come here and enjoy the sport like this. I am feeling very much better than that, and the beauty here all of us we are seeing is only one thing I want just to share with you, that wherever the place you go, you have a snap or something video like that, so that it is your lifetime experience, so that you can enhance in your Orkut profile. Also, this is the roof of that building.
So this
And
thing whatever you are doing right now, these are for Orkut profile. These are actually you want to make some documentary over it.
actually, I'm a very I'm frank speaker. I just want to say that yeah, it is of course for the Orkut profile of me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, fine.
Nice to talk with you.